his mic is not working.
I did it, sir.
You did it to Ruda. Very good. Lovely. We can start from there then. We certainly can start from there. All right. So in the next couple minutes, then we can discuss that. Uh, okay. So let's look at each person's answer. Did you write it down? Any of you? Christian or Ruda?
Yes, sir. I did write
Yep.
it down.
Okay. Can you take a picture of it and send it to me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Ruda, can you do the same thing as well?
Sir, is it the one that you said you must search for the
Sir, it was two homeworks, sir. Which one you
Yeah.
want, sir?
Yes, sir. Which one of them is talking, sir?
All right. Good question. So let's look at this. This was the first one where what are the three elements that will not form ions naturally and why? And the other one? Any one of them that you have? Um, I'll be looking at it. Well, I really was looking for both, but as you say, anyone that you have completed, send that one. As we need to discuss this. All right. So in the meanwhile, now we're actually trying to get, well, don't really hardly make sense that the students come with. So yeah, all right. Okay, so I'm getting yours, Kristen. Okay, let's assume right that one. I'm seeing this one, so let's have a look at that one. Chrisanti, did you do it?
No, sir.
Poor thing. So you're going to manage no one. All right. So okay, actually there's two. Mm-hmm. All right. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. I'll actually save this file. It's there. And we're gonna load this up on the screen then and let's see what your response is. All right. And let's get this thing to so all right, and let me see something there. That's noise. Today is actually what, the 28th. All right, so I'll just send that one. All right, so now let's look at this answer. What is this question? What is this question answering? Let's go back to all right. Actually, this was from last class, so you're gonna see they have here, and those were the questions that I'm supposed to do. All right, let me see. It's something a lot of activity here. This looks to be rude as well. All right, let's download this as well. All right. Ruda. Let's get this on. Let's rotate this and see. Oh, okay. Interesting. Carbon. All right. So you actually are answering the question about the valence electrons here. So nitrogen has 5, magnesium has 2, and aluminum has 13 valency. No, no, this is not true. All right. Let me just get the red pen here. So this is indeed true. And this is not true. So it's not 13. All right, so you're gonna have to check this one. Certainly, let's look at this one. Boron small size amount of energy needed to remove 3 electrons. So boron does not form the B3 plus ion. Yeah, I like how you answer this one. All right, so this definitely is indeed correct. Atoms that are unstable lose or gain electrons to form ions to satisfy the octet. This is a true statement. The elements that do not, and of course this is indeed correct. These elements, guys, do not easily form. And let's go back to the question that we are answering here. What 3 elements will not form ions naturally and why? Let's remind ourselves of this question. We're going to group this together and we're going to copy it here so you can see what the question is. All right, 1, 2. All right, so what 3 elements will not form ions naturally and why? And these certainly.
Sir, I realized I gave 4, sir.
Yeah, so I'm actually marking the 3 because I asked for 3, so I just mark the 3 that are correct, which is what they will do in exam anyway. If they ask for 3 things, they give them 4, and just pick the 3 correct ones out of it and give it the marks. So that's okay. The question is answered within what you give. So do not. So these atoms, guys, that's helium, neon, and argon do not easily form ions. And yeah, but then this is, even though this part is a true statement, you still haven't fully answered why. So you know, still haven't fully answered the question. So this needs some more work. Why? So that's the part. This part is correct. You give me the 3 elements, so that part is okay. And so that part is correct. So as we say, Kristen, try and learn some more. This statement is a true statement. Boron is small, the small atom, only 5. 5, and then if you draw boron, you're going to realize, all right, so boron has 5, number 5 on the periodic table, has 2 on the first, and only, well, it has 3 on the second. And so you'd have 1, 2, 3 there, where you're saying that the energy needed to remove 3 electrons from boron, the large amount of energy. All right, large amount of energy is needed to remove 3 electrons. So, all right. So this is good work though, Christian, but still haven't fully answered why. So you have that to work on. All right. And let me just send this back. I guess I need to minimize this. And group them together and send it to you. So of course we have to save that as a picture and put your name on it. And then it shows up there. So I'm send this here. All right, so all right, and that's it. And having a look at Ruda's Ono. This again, this is a sum of what you should have, Ruda. So this is not enough. But then you did something, so well, still better than nothing. Anyway, so send this back to you. But the fourth thing is not correct. Aluminum does not have 13 valence electrons. So let's group that and save that. And put your name there. All right, and let's say 2. And it's there. I'm sending this back to you. So all right, there you go. All right, so there it is.
Sir, they sent me the other one, sir.
Wait, you send the other one. Okay. All right, good. All right, so this would be Christian. All right, so I'm gonna put this over here. And you're asking the question here, what are the valences of the following? And so carbon there, valency is 4. Aluminum valency definitely is 3. So nitrogen is 3. All right. So then therefore, all right, this is also done. All right, let me just send this to you as well. And this is well done. All right, so I can easily send this back to you now. And of course, save as picture. And that's saved. Okay. All right. All right. So that's been sent back. All right. So, all right, guys. So very short meeting today, guys, but just wanted to see some progress today. Next class, guys, please make sure you are there because we are going to look at some questions that will turn up in your end of year exam. All right, or whichever exam you're gonna do, whether SWAT or in the end of year. It's time for us to look at questions that have been asked on CXC that relates to what you have been doing, and you're gonna have to learn how to answer those questions. So that's why I know if you notice, I'm asking for the work online, so you send pictures of it. We practice to write the answers, and then I'll show you where you're going wrong once you send them to me on WhatsApp. All right, if you send it on Classroom now, it's a bit harder for me to do it that way. So better send it to WhatsApp, and then I just use it, download it as a picture, mark it, and send it back to you, and I keep a copy for myself, and that way, everybody satisfied. All right. You guys have any questions here?
No, sir.
Okay, that's good. All right. So guys, thanks for coming to class today, and it's about break time. So as I say, looking forward to see you on Friday when we can go through some past questions. All right. So until then, enjoy the rest of your day.
Same to you, sir. Bye, sir.
All right, bye.